Heathcliff, it's me, oh Kathy. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I got a lot of love on my last video, so I just want to thank you all for your praise and your support. Thank you. I'm actually really shy, really nervous to do this, so it was just really nice, and thank you. Today I'm going to be doing a Wuthering Tights does a Wuthering Heights look, inspired by the legend that is Kate Bush. It is inspired by her 70s video for Wuthering Heights, where she's prancing around the forest, being iconic, wearing red tights. I've got a few images up for like reference that I'll throw up, but they do look like they've been taken on a potato, so we're going to try our best. I've been on several nights out doing this look. I am so predictable. Carry on watching and see how I got this look. Oh, I'm really hot. So I've already concealed my eyes with some of the Urban Decay Primer Potion, but I mix it with like a bit of concealer to give it more coverage. We're going to be using this Revolution Reloaded Iconic Division palette. It's an absolute dupe of Anastasia's Subculture, so that's why I have not put my base on already, because I'm expecting fallout. We're going to start with this shade here. Please don't look at my nails. So I'm just going to take it in a little circle. So now that I've pat that on, I'm going to blend it out with a clean fluffy brush just to get those harsh edges off. Okay, I think I'm then going to take this more like khaki green and just lightly go over that with this fluffy brush for Real Techniques. Kate's makeup in the photos that I've got for reference, it's classic 70s where they've gone really high up, like there's no space in between here, it's like right up. Go figure, the 70s. There is like so much fallout from that, which is, I expected it, but thank God I didn't put my base on first then, innit? I think I'm gonna then take like a big fluffy brush. This is a Zoeva dupe. It's the Jessup's brushes that you can get on Amazon. Cheapest chips, £15. Thanks to Make Me Up Misser for the recommendation. I'm going to take this creamy beige colour and go around what I've done and pray that this all comes together. It's only April and I'm sweating. Got a little drinky to keep me loose. I think I'm going to just take that same khaki green colour and just go over it to make it a bit deeper at the sides, because we are going to cut our crease, because I feel like the sparkle will really pop then. Just going to go over with the beige colour again. I think I'm going to do like a half moon and cut crease, like I'm not going to go all the way. I look really flush, like, 'cause I'm so hot. Also, I'm going to be doing like a full face haul of The Ordinary. I've just done a big order because I really need to sort my skin out. So I'm going to end it like here and just cover this bit and then just like kind of pull it out at the sides. I'm just going to use this more like flat side to like pull it out. Yeah, this is a dirty brush. I haven't cleaned them since my last video. I'm not a beauty guru, I'm not true beauty guru. I just need a good session of like brush cleaning. I've got a Style Pro and it's amazing. You should get one. Alright, now we've got that on, I'm going to take the green from this fake Subculture Revolution palette. I don't hold out much hope for the green in this, but we'll give it a go. We'll see what happens. Why not? Little tap. So I'm going to be really predictable and put on a Barry M holographic eyeshadow topper. This is in a Supernova. It's a nice metallic Steeler dupe green. I've lived in Manchester for like 6 years, and I don't know if you can tell, there was a lot of comments on my video last week that were like, oh, you've got like, it was mainly from like family and friends, just like, oh, you've got such a Manc accent now, and like, I think, yeah, I do, but also I love to put it on, so, Champagne Supernova. Oh my god, stop. Because I'm a full-time beauty blogger now, I might actually invest in a Steeler. Why not? Alrighty, I'm just gonna use that same brush that I put on the shadow with, just to pat that down and disperse the sparkle. Oh, we do love a bit of sparkle, don't we, girls? I'm flushed like I'm going through the menopause. So I'm just going to go over the sides again with the khaki green, just because I feel like I want this to blend in. Well, I do want this to blend in. What am I saying? Okay, finally I'm just going to take that sparkly green and then try and blend it into that khaki. Is it khaki or khaki? Is it gaga or gaga? I say gaga. Okay, so they seem to do this weird thing in the 70s where they like put quite a lot of kohl eyeliner on, and I really don't want to put black on, so I'm going to use this dark brown. I'm torn whether to wing this out just a little bit with some of the dark green colour. We'll give it a go. First I'm just going to do a line along the top of my eyelid because I think I'm going to put some lashes on. I might take a bit of that, too, on like an angled brush and just give it a go winging it out. Whoa! That's really not worked. Okay, so that looks like trash, but I'm gonna clean up around here, do the other eye off camera, and then I think I'm gonna stick a lash on and come back to do the rest. Okay, so I'm back. I've got a lash on. It's like a Primark lash. I can't remember which ones. It's not the sultry ones, but it's actually quite 60s. I'm not a big fan of this, but I gave it a go. I'm gonna do my base and then do the under eyes. So I've already moisturised and I'm just gonna use the Revolution Pro Pore Primer to try and fill the creases in on my head. Oh, I've put far too much of this on. I've got a big spot here, but I don't want to pick it because I've picked my spots often in the past, and you're not meant to do that. Okay, so now that's on. I recently bought the Revlon Colorstay after a recommendation from May like ages ago. It's full coverage. It's been really good so far, but I think with my hormonal skin, it's probably going to break me out, but gotta do what you gotta do for the look. So I'm hoping that's made me look a little bit less flushed. I also bought recently another e.l.f. Camo concealer, the 16-hour one. This is in Fair Beige. I bought the Fair Rose one last time and it was a little bit too light. And this one, again, is a little bit too light, but she's quite a pale girl. Arquette. So, Arcade. We'll give it a go. Okay, so my foundation and concealer's on. I'm just gonna set it with my Maybelline Fit Me. Just put a little bit of in the top. So I think my camera cut out then, but I just did my contour. I'm not the best at contour, I'm not gonna lie to you. I just used the Essence contouring palette and some Revolution Pro Skin Finish in Luminescence. I'm now gonna do a bit of highlight. And for that, I'm gonna use this Kiko Glow Fusion highlighter. It's just in shade 01. Okay, for blush, I think she's got like a peachy rosy colour, and all I've got is this ancient number 7 Apricot Blossom. Don't know if they have it anymore. Hopefully it works. I look like such a smug bitch when I do that. I'm gonna do my under eyes. I'm gonna take that khaki colour all under my eyes. I'm just gonna blend that mess out with the beige. Alright, okay, I tried. I tried, I really tried. So I'm gonna do inner corner highlight, and I'm gonna hope for the best with this colour here. It's not as popping as I was hoping, but it'll do. Okay, I think I'm gonna set this oil in place. I'm waiting on another setting spray because all I've got is this matte fix, so that'll have to do for now. Okay, so in the photos she's going for a kind of a Mrs. Claus green and red, the colours that you shouldn't match. It's kind of like a peachy red, like a coral. So I'm just going to line my lips with this pencil from Primark, and then I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star and a Nicole. Oh, this clashes horribly and I kind of love it. So this is the final look. I'm going to go away now and probably just sit screaming at passers-by out my window. Hope to see you soon and thank you for watching. Bye. See you, love. Bye.